Just got delivery of my Newair combination wine and beverage cooler. It came well packed. I just unpacked it. It's very simple to assemble. There's not much to it. We have the handles that are secured inside the wine section, and we have the instruction manual inside the beverage section here. My first order of business is to make a cabinet to house it. I'm starting off with 2 sheets of sanded plywood, 4x8. One sheet is 3/4, one sheet is 1/2 inch. I'm using the 3/4 from the bottom section for more stability and strength, and some of the side shelves where the wine unit is going to be installed. And then I'm going to use 1/2 inch for the top and for the sidebars. That's going to have cabinetry for whatever you wish to display, glasses or anything else. The main section of the bottom is already done, so here's the 1/2 inch top section I put down, and I'm going to flip over the bottom section. This way it's a little more easier access for me to screw it down. This is what we have so far. I'm just going to close in the sides with 2 pieces here so that I have 2 shelf sections. Okay, I'm going to put the side and back panel together ahead of time, prefab that, because it's a little problematic to get that long Craig bit in between tight spots. I also made sure I have an orientation of how this is going. A little marker showing me exactly where I'm going to place this at. Okay, now I got this prefab for the side and back of the left side. I'm gonna put that in here, and I'm gonna lock that in, just making sure that everything's lining up properly. Okay, the left is done, so I have to do that same process to the right hand side. Using my Craig jig to make the holes for the adjustable shelving. Cutting the door panels for the side cabinetry. Cutting notches inside the door panel to accommodate the plexiglass insert. Glued, clamped and secured the door panels. Sanded down the panel surfaces and relieved all the edging. With everything sanded down properly, I started the paint job. With the paint on the doors dried, I can start with the plexiglass inserts and hinges. Now to install the hinges and set the doors. I'm using wrap hinges to allow the door to make a full 180-degree swing. Here's the basic shelf structure. I originally planned to square off the top with a piece of budded spruce, but that changed quickly. I put on short round legs and I glued some felt to the bottom of them so that it would slide a little easier on a solid surface. I set up the power supply for the LED lights, then ran the LED light strips through the unit. After installing the unit inside the cabinet, I decided I didn't like the color or the square top, so I decided to change the color and cut the top to the contours of the cabinet. So I painted the cabinets white, and I plan on changing the color of the top to match the walls. I installed the glass shelving inside the cabinets, and I painted the top the same color as the walls for contrast, and covered it with a custom glass top.